Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the subject is maths and then the topic is ascending order. Hi, children. Today we are going to learn about ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order, children? It's very easy. Once you understand, you can do it very well. Let us see about that. Ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Means small number to big number. You are going to arrange the numbers from small number to big number. So they will give the group of numbers. You have to arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger ones. Here, for understanding how written like this, you can recall it easily. Small to big. Look at this dolls also. This is small, this is big. So whenever you are hearing about the ascending order, you just recall these two pictures, small to big. This is S, this is big. So small number to big number. Let us see how to do the ascending order. Before going to attend the ascending order, just you are going to know about this, children. This is the one easiest way to learn about the ascending order. It is a trick. Okay, children. See, this is what is this? This is steps. Okay. So you all standing here. When you are doing the ascending order sum, you all will be here. What you are going to do, from smaller number to bigger number, you are going to climb up the steps. Can you all understand? You can see this arrow symbol. We are going like this. Once you climb up the steps alone, you can go and reach the bigger value. Okay, children? So the 0 is smaller than 1. So how can we say for the ascending order? The 1 is bigger than 0. The 2 is bigger than 1. The 3 is bigger than 2. The 4 is bigger than 3. The 5 is bigger than 4. The 6 is bigger than 5. The 7 is bigger than 6. The 8 is bigger than 7. The 9 is bigger than 8. And then the last one, the 10 is bigger than 9. This is very easy, children. So once whoever climbing up the steps, you have to cross the value smaller to bigger. So this is the order we are going to arrange in the ascending order. Let us see one digit sums for that. Look at this paper, children. I have written two sums in one digit order. See here, ascending order means I told you smaller number to bigger numbers. See the first sum, they have given 7, 9, 3, 8. There are 4 numbers they have given. In this 4 numbers, we are going to see which is smaller. Which is smaller here? 7, 9, 3, 8. Which is 2 smaller? Yeah, 3 is 2 smaller. So I am going to cross the 3 and take it and write the first. Okay. So remaining how many numbers we are having? 7, 9 and 8. In this 3 number, we are going to find which is smaller. So 9 is smaller than 7 and 8? No. The 7 is the smaller one. So I am going to write 7 next. Before write, you just cross it. Then remaining 2 numbers, the 9 and 8. Which is smaller, 9 or 8? 8. So I have crossed and then write 8. The last one, the 9 also will come. So this is the ascending order. 3, 7, 8, 9. The smaller number to bigger number have arranged. Let us do one more sum in that. 4, 5, 6, 9. Which is 2 smaller in this? 4. And then which is smaller in the 5, 6, 9? The 5 only. 5. And which is 2 smaller in 6 and 9? 6. So I have written 6. And last number is 9. In this question, the questions are having the same order. So the answer also in the same order. You can see that answer, smaller number to bigger number. That's all. Now we will learn about the 2-digit ascending order, children. Look at the sums, children. These are 2-digit numbers. Now we are going to do the ascending order in this 2-digit. See, children, one thing you have to follow when you do the 2-digit or 3-digit ascending order. So you have to look at the first number. Okay. So whenever you are arranging the ascending order for 2-digit, you have to look at the first digits. Okay, so let us see that 78, 54, 81, 69 is the first sum. In the sum, the first numbers are 7, 5, 8, 9. These number alone we are going to compare. Okay children, can you all understand? Because these are 2-digit numbers, so it is easy to understand how to compare this one. 7, 5, 8 and 6. Which is very smaller? 7? No. 5? Yes. So I am going to cross the 54 and write 54. I am not writing only 5 children. I have taken full number. Okay. Then remaining numbers are 78, 81, 69. Which is very smaller? I told you to see the first numbers. 7? No. 8? No. 6? Yes. 6 is the smaller number. So the 69 is the next answer. And then remaining 78 and 81. Which is smaller? 7 or 8? 7. So 78 is the answer and remaining 81 will be coming there. So this is the ascending order. 54, 69, 78, 81 is the ascending order for this number. Next, let us do the another sum. The next sum is 33, 64, 90 and 72. So already I told you to see the first digits of these numbers. So 3, 6, 9, 7. These are the first numbers. So let us compare that. Which is too smaller? 3, 6, 9, 7. Which is very smaller? The 3 is the smaller one. So I have taken 33. And then 6, 9, 7. Which is too smaller? 7 or 6? 6. Very good. So that 64. And then next, which is too smaller? 7 or 9? 7. So the 72 will come here. Remaining 90 will be the last number. Okay children. Next, in the sum, the first two sums are little different comparing with these two sums. Let us see that. 56, 55, 57, 50. Can you find what is the difference? I told you whenever you are doing the ascending order for the 2-digit numbers, you have to see the first number. Here all the first numbers are same. All the first numbers are 5. So we are not able to compare the first digit. So what we are going to do? We are going to compare the second digit, which is 6, which is 5, which is 7, which is 0. So in case of the first numbers are equal, we are going to move for the next number. Okay children, shall we do it? The second numbers you can see 6, 5, 7, 0. In this, which is smaller? 50. The 0 is the smaller. So I have crossed and write the 50. And then remaining 3 numbers are there. Here 6, 5, 7. Which is smaller? 5. So 55. And 56 and 57, which is smaller? 56. And then remaining the last number 57. Can you all understand children? Whenever the 2-digit numbers having the first number same order, you have to see the second digit of that number. Okay children? Yeah. Let us do the last sum. 71, 79, 80 and 15. Here the first two numbers are same in the first number. Okay. And the last two numbers are different. Look at that. First numbers. We can usually what we are doing, we will use to compare the first digits. 7, 7, 8, 1. Let us see which is too smaller here. The 1. So I have crossed 1 and write 15. And then remaining numbers are 71, 79 and 80. So when you compare the 7 and 7, these two numbers are equal. When you compare the 7 to 8, 8 is a bigger, so it won't come here. These two numbers we have to find out which is too smaller. So I told you already the first numbers are same. We have to see the second numbers 1 and 9. Okay children. See, 1 is smaller or 9 is smaller? 1. So I have crossed 71 and right answer 71. So automatically next 79 will come there and 80 because 7 is smaller than 8. Can you all understand, children? I hope you all understood very well. Let us see that in next class. Do the homework very well. Thank you, children.